Second attempt at videoing for the YouTube channel. Yet to be named. My husband said it's a pie in the sky, so I might call it Pip's Pie in the Sky channel. The fire's ramping up. What's the degrees tonight, Noel? Is it about...
down to about 12 now.
Do you reckon? 12 degrees. We're wondering if we'll have to use the diesel heater tonight. We've had 2 hot nights. Got up to the hottest day in March. No, hottest day in April yesterday, wasn't it?
Yeah.
What did it get up to?
30.
30.
Not here.
Oh, about 20. What, 25 here?
24.
24. All right. So here's our old caravan. We bought this second hand. We bought it just before Noel's 60th. So we bought it about June, beginning of June, and a little bit before June, during COVID. And we had to buy a car to tow it. I think the car cost 22 and the caravan cost 16. So all up 38,000, which seems a terrible lot of money, but anyway, it's an investment into the future of travel. Before this caravan, we'd camped in a camper trailer for probably Zara's 16, so 17 years. Wow. Yeah, that's probably right. 17, 50 or 16 years. And before that we had a tent that we camped in for 10 years. So we've now upgraded to a caravan, which has advantages and disadvantages. It's bigger to tow. Does have a diesel heater. And there's room for the girls. It's got bunks inside, which is good. Even though they did say this is the last camping trip they're coming on, they much prefer to stay home. But we'll see what happens. They're 16 and 14. Okay, the fire's going well now. I should have shown what we had for tea, but we've eaten it. And I'm just now going to sit back and relax, and I would Google how to set up the YouTube channel, but there's not really any Wi-Fi here, so I can't do that. So that'll be the next video probably, telling you what I've learnt, because really I don't really know anything about it, but I'll take you along for the journey. Any of you out there that want to do it too. So signing off, have a good night. Snow, and not much of a sunset or anything today, but there's a lot of bird life. Well, it's a bit quiet now.